major need to update, and then to set up a new telephony system in the State House. Something was provided for that in the 2022 budget, but we are not going to be able to finish it. Then we also have the first replacement of vehicles. When we say vehicles, the type of vehicles we use are categorized. We have utility vehicles, we have operational vehicles, and so on. Some of them are ordinary vehicles. Some of them, for obvious reasons, are vehicles that are treated, and they're extremely expensive. And because of the number of vehicles and the number of trips that we undertake, we need to continue to replace them. More so because there's going to be an incoming administration by May 2023, and we expect that they would start, using vehicles that will be, roadworthy. We also have the annual routine maintenance, the maintenance of the presidential villa facilities. These facilities are numerous. We have the presidential lounge at the airport, we have the State House Conference Center, we have the presidential banquet hall, we have the president's office, vice president's office, we have their residences, we have the guest houses, we have the auditorium, we have several facilities. And maintaining such facilities to be in optimum shape is a very huge and, time-consuming and money-consuming, venture.
Orílẹ̀-èdè mi á dúró.